Ndewo. Hello and welcome to another episode in the series of Must Know Everyday Igbo Words you must know to start speaking Igbo. In this video, you will learn how to say 5 everyday Igbo words we have specially selected for today's episode. And at the end, you will be presented with a timed quiz to test how much you remember. We are ready. If you're ready, anyị bido. Aqua, aqua, aqua.
Bed, bed.
Azụ, azụ, azụ.
Fish, fish.
Eze, eze, eze.
Teeth, teeth.
Osikapa, osikapa, osikapa.
Rice, rice.
Agwa, agwa, agwa.
Beans, beans. Improve your fluency in Igbo by learning everyday Igbo.
Quiz time. The 5 Igbo vocabulary words you learned today will be presented on screen. You have 3 seconds to respond with the correct name for the Igbo vocabulary word. Let's go. Azụ, azụ.
Fish,
Agwa, agwa.
beans,
Osikapa, osikapa.
rice,
Agwa, agwa.
bed,
Eze, eze.
teeth.
We hope you enjoyed this video. We would like to keep bringing you more content such as this to help you towards your journey of learning Igbo language. If you enjoyed this video, please like it by giving it a thumbs up. Leave a comment and let us know how you are progressing along your journey of learning Igbo language. If you would like us to notify you when we put out a new video, hit subscribe and turn on your notification button. Daalụ, anyị ga-ahụ gị n'oge na-adịghị anya.